Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 9 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can add headers, footers and page numbers in MS Word. Headers and footers are useful for including material that you want to appear on every page of a document, and page numbers are used to show exact number of the page. So, let's see how we can do this. As you can see, there are random texts written in this Word document. To add a header on every page, just go to Insert and then Header and then select the type of header that you want. After selecting the type, enter the header that you want to show and just click Escape and your header has been added. Footers can be added in the same way as headers. Go to Insert and then Footers and then select the type and click Escape. To insert page numbers, follow the same steps and select Page Number in the Insert tab and select the type and select Escape. So, this is how you can add headers and footers in Word. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.